Hi mga besh! Before we can enjoy traveling to South Korea, kailangan muna nating ayusin ang isa sa pinaka-importanteng document na hahanapin ni IO during our flight, our approved visa grant notice. Now, sharing with you our version 2.0 na application process namin. We already posted on our page and channel our first guide for our single entry visa, and now, for our second applied, we followed the same process and just added a few documents. Nag-submit kami ng requirements kay KVAC Brittany Hotel last November 7. Since peak season ang November, umabot ng 3 hours ang proseso. Dumating kami ng 9 a.m. then natapos ng 12 noon. Our tentative release date was supposed to be December 1. But guess what? November 25 ba lang approved na. And the best part, multiple entry visa ang nakuha namin for 5 years. Sobrang saya namin kasi we can now visit Korea anytime within the next few years. And no more repeating the same document submissions every trip. We'll put on the description box or comment section all the documents requirement we submitted in KVAC. For the visa application form, here's how we filled it out. We downloaded the application form on the website we provided on the first video and filled it out using Adobe Acrobat. You need to fill out the application form in all caps. For item number 1, write your last name and first name. For 1.2, since we don't have a Chinese name, we put NA. Check your gender, then input your birthday in year, month, day format. Your nationality, and then Philippines as your country. For the national identity number, write NA. Check no if you have never entered or departed South Korea using a different name. And check no again if you don't have any other nationality aside from Filipino. For item 2, since we're tourists, we check the short-term stay less than 90 days and put C-3-9 tourist on item 2.2. For item number 3, for the passport type, we selected regular, then enter the passport number, Philippines as the issuing country, the DFA where you applied for your passport, the date of the passport issued, and the expiration date. Make sure all the dates follow the year, month, day format. Since we only have one passport, we check no on 3.7, then NA to B, C, D. For item number 4, enter home address. If your current address is the same, simply write same as above. Then fill in your contact number, email, and emergency contact details. For emergency contact details, put their name, contact number, country, and your relationship to that person. For item number 5, marital status, married kami, so we fill the spouse section. If you're single, just put NA in A to F. Then check 5.3 if you have children and put your number of children. For item number 6, fill in your education details. Check your highest level of education, put the name of your school and school location. Since we have toddler, for 6.1, we selected other and wrote toddler in the detail section. For 6.2 and 6.3, we placed NA for the toddler. Item 7. This section is for employment details, whether employed, a business owner, or a student. For our toddler, we check other and wrote toddler in the please provide details field. Then, put the name of the company, institute, or school. Put the position or course, address of the company, institute, or school, then contact number. Item 8, we check tourism/transit. Then we put 5 days on the intended period of stay. This is just intended. Pwede mong baguhin yung actual number of days na stay mo if your visa approved na. Then, fill in your intended date of entry, intended hotel address, then contact number of the hotel. You can find it sa Agoda or sa Klook or kung saan nyo nakita yung hotel. The hotel can also be changed in your actual trip. For 8.6, we checked yes since we visited last October and put 1 on how many times you visited for the past 5 years. Then put the details below and the period of your stay. If for the past 5 years you travel abroad other than Korea, put all the details. Pwede mo ilagay lahat. If hindi kasya, just use the next blank page. Pag may nag-i-stay sa South Korea na family members mo, put the details. If wala, put NA sa lahat. Then sa 8.9, yung makakasama nyo sa travel. Check yes and put their details, name, birth date, nationality, and relationship. For item number 9, we check no and NA from A to E. For item 10, the funding details, we estimate $200 per day since medyo pricey sa South Korea. Since nilagay namin kanina sa intended days is 5 days, minultiply lang namin, so $1,000 yung nilagay namin. Then put the name na mag-i-sponsor. If self-funding, put your name. Kay toddler, nilagay namin yung name namin. Type of sponsor, financial. Then relationship with the toddler and contact number. For item 11, put NA to all. Sa page 5, item 12, just fill up with your name then signature. Pati sa next page, data privacy, name and signature then date. Double check all the details, then you're ready to submit at KBAC Brittany Hotel. Tip lang, lagi na unang lumabas ang result online bago ang KBAC text. So you can check via online from time to time yung application mo. Once you receive the SMS, you can claim your passport from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. That's it. Sana makatulong itong experience and list of requirements. If you have questions, drop them below. We'd happy to share more tips. Follow us for more travel tips and guide. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more travel vlogs coming soon. See you mga besh!